Good morning, everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to show you how to create a new field in Act CRM Classic. So if you're doing a trial, there might or might not be, depending on whether things might have changed over time, but right now in April of 2022, when you purchase Act CRM Classic, the lower tier option does not allow you to create fields in Act. So in other words, after you purchase it at that lower tier, you cannot create fields. Now, personally, I think that's sort of crazy. I think one of the fundamental things you do in Act is create fields, and I hope they remove that. But having said that, before you purchase the software, while you're still in trial mode, what you should do is you should be creating some fields behind the scenes. And let me show you how to do that. You're going to go up and click on Tools, Define Fields. Now, there's all kinds of different fields in Act, but I'm going to come over here and click on Create New Field. And just for the sake of our discussion, all I'm going to do is put in the letter A. That's it. It's going to be a character field. I don't really need anything else from this, but I'm going to click Finish. Now I have created a new field. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and repeat this step 10 times. I'm going to go A, B, C, D, and it doesn't really matter what I call it, but I'm going to go through that 10 times and create 10 character fields. There's other kinds of fields you can create as well. Just as an example, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to call this one AA. And again, I capitalize that, but you don't need to, but there's all kinds of different fields in here. And one of the fields that I'd suggest you create is a YesNo field. And again, the reason I'm doing this is because I can go in and edit these fields if they've been created in advance. So I can go in and create all kinds of different fields and save them behind the scenes so that you can come back and use them. And again, this ability to create a new field is not available in the lower tier of Act CRM Classic. As an Act software user, when you purchase Act CRM Classic, one of the things you get with it automatically is you get 10 user fields that are put into Act that you can go in and modify after the fact, and they're called user fields 1 through 10. So when you purchase this, you get 10 fields automatically built into it, but one of the reasons I have you build more fields is in case you need more of them down the road. So before you start the trial, or end the trial I should say, you should go in and create some of these fields. And make sure you do a bunch of them. If you have any questions, reach back to me. Again, you can go in and modify them after the fact as of today. But as far as working with them, you got to get them in here so you can use them in reserve. And there's some different things you can think about when approaching this. The bottom line is this. If you have questions, talk to me about it. Let's make sure this gets done properly. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.